To update Instagram on Android, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. You can find the Play Store app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the Play Store, tap on the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines, and select My Apps and Games from the drop-down menu. Next, you will see a list of installed apps that have updates available. Look for Instagram in the list, and if an update is available, you will see an update button next to it. Tap the update button to start the update process. If you do not see Instagram in the list, it means you are already running the latest version. Alternatively, you can also search for Instagram in the Play Store by typing Instagram in the search bar at the top of the screen. Open the Instagram app page, and if an update is available, you will see an update button. Tap the update button to start the update process. It is essential to have a stable internet connection to update Instagram. Also, make sure you have enough storage space on your device to download and install the update. It is also a good practice to regularly update your apps to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Once the update is installed, open Instagram to see the new features and improvements. You can also check the app's settings to see what's new and how to use the new features. Updating Instagram on Android is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. And it is essential to keep your app up to date to ensure the best user experience.